Okay, here we're looking at 10.2 Activity 2, and this is also a lesson on rewriting exponents that are a power to a power of a power. So we want to think about this. This is like 3 to the second power to the third power. This is 3 to the second times itself 3 times. Times 3 to the second times 3 to the second. Now, we just learned from the last video and the last activity that if you are multiplying powers with the same base, then you can just add the exponents. So if I'm looking here, it's the same base. Let's just add the exponents. This is the same thing as 3 to the 6th power. Okay, I think that's all. Well, I'll do one more with you. So 2 to the second to the 4th. Well, that's really 2 to the second times 2 to the second times 2 to the second times 2 to the second. It's 2 to the second times itself 4 times. And again, the trick is that I can add up the exponents. It's a common base, so that's 2 to the 8th. All right, well, I will let you do your best to do D, C, and E, and then maybe you can find a trick to go from this power of a power all the way to the end and skip in this middle step. Maybe you can figure that out, but I'll let you go pause and finish A through E. Okay, here we have the work and answers filled out. So here's my final answers. And the grand finale, the shortcut, the sneaky little exponent trick we're supposed to figure out here is that if you have a power of a power, then the trick is you can just multiply the exponents in order to rewrite the expression as a single power. So 3 to the second to the third, I could expand it out, or I could just multiply 2 times 3 is 6. Again, down here, 2 times 4 is 8. So I have this little cheat sheet here, by the way. It's on Google Classroom. This first activity we did, where you add the exponents, we call that the product property. I call it the product property, or longer product of powers property. Anyway, this activity that we just did here, when we have a power of a power, well, that's the power of a power property. And the trick there is that we are just going to be multiplying the exponents. That's the trick here. Power of a power property. The trick is you can just multiply the exponents. Okay, thanks for playing.